What's up, everybody? Devin up here, and today I got Lenovo's smart clock. All right, so this has been talked about, all about, making headlines on CES, you know what I'm saying, 2021, 22. So we're gonna unbox it, see what's so special about it. I think it's just a clock, but hey, this is what we here for, to unbox it, figure out what's so special about it, get my hands on it. So without further ado, I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching. Let's get it started. Hey.
I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the beam. Been working on my confidence and respect, I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my jet in the wind, I felt at the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he poppin' Xannies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the Osland toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zoes at. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo team. I remember wondering what I'm gonna need.
Alright, so we get the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential with Alexa built in. Alright, so it comes in two colors. You got the blue and the red. So right now we got the blue, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's looking like. Okay, nice and small, dope size. I'm liking it so far. And then you got a power outlet and a little small pad. Alright, so we got the LED screen, negative and plus. I'm assuming that's for the volume, alarm clock, and the select button. And on the back, there's actually a little mute button right here and the power cord. Let's go ahead and get it started. Sunday through Saturday, the time, alarm, the weather was going on.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Make sure Bluetooth permissions on your phone are turned on, then follow the instructions in the Alexa app.
Alright, so to get it started, you're going to need to download the Alexa app. And then once you download the Alexa app, it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth, which I prefer Bluetooth Wi-Fi, but that's just me. So my time right now, it is 10:29 a.m. Thursday, and I think this is pretty much it. Yeah. Alright, so here we are. We got the smart clock. Alright, so now it looks very basic. You got your volume buttons up top. Then you have the Alexa circle button right here to where she looks at you. I don't want anything. And then you got, the alarm clock. You can set an alarm. Now, the real feature comes in the app. So you can actually listen to music, make calls, build a shopping list, add an alarm, create a reminder, get to know the Alexa app, play your music, guides, and also comes up with messages. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay. So, you can play some radio stations, Apple Music, Spotify, all this nice stuff. You can connect more devices to it. So if you have a Amazon Echo Field, like a radio or things that's Amazon or Google related, you can actually link it to this. So I think that's pretty cool. All right. I'm liking this so far. I thought it was just a basic analog, smart clock, but I think it's pretty cool. Okay. All right, so we're gonna play some music from this. Oh, snap. Oh man, this that smooth jazz right here. Okay. bro. Don't worry, I'm gonna get y'all back real quick. Hold on. Let me turn it up for copyright reasons, bro. Remember the car rides home, your grandma, remember your grandparents used to pick you up and just play jazz? Like they always had like an old town car, like a Lincoln or some kind of luxury car, playing the jazz. Cold air ride going somewhere like to McDonald's or Wendy's, or just taking you somewhere to get something to eat, ice cream, snack, candy, something, or the dollar store. My grandparents used to stay at the dollar store, you know what I'm saying, taking me to get some candy. On the ride back and forth, car rides be so smooth. You know what I'm saying, electric windows, I thought that was so cool. Like, you got the air blowing, the nice cold air. I used to be knocked out, like, oh my gosh. Best feeling. You never get that time back, but the memories is awesome. Whenever I listen to jazz music, that's literally all you think about. Alright, so here we are to enter the video. I think this is really dope, okay? Now I see what the hype was about. It does have a nice speaker. This would be great for like a gift for like a desk or like an office gift. You got the time, the date, the weather, even some of the conditions. It's not touchscreen, and that's fine. But you can just be in the office, turn up the volume, play some music. Or, if you just want to ask a question like, hey Alexa, how you doing today? Like you can do that. Or, it's an awesome device. I wish Apple would do something like this, but hey, that's come on now. I think this is a cool device to have. I'm looking for a clock. This might be the clock. For the desk here, might be permanent. I think this is a winner so far. Now, if we're gonna work on getting things wireless, that'll make my life so much sweeter. Besides that, dope product. I say get it, thumbs up. I like it. I don't see nothing wrong with this. This done its job. Speakers is good, and yeah, and it's nice and small. You can pretty much, hide the cord if you want to, place it away over here. And like I said, it's really small, nice emulated lights, has some nice colors to it. And it's just very basic, not too much and not too little. I think it's dope. You can pretty much get the job done and what it needs to do. And it has an actual alarm clock to do its job. So with that being said, I got goals today, you got goals today. Hopefully that helped you achieve your goals by wondering if you should get this or not. But I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace. Thanks for watching. Y'all be safe out there. Okay? Turn on some jazz and think about the old times, okay? Dang. Hey, man. Grandparents knew what time it was, you know what I'm saying? I used to be a little hyper kid, man. They throwing that junk. I used to just be calm. Oh, man. You never get those times back, but you wish you did. Hey, appreciate it now while you can, trust me. But I'm out. Thanks for watching.